You see, and these switches are important for what? Look, as I told you, I think last practice, we are not a grapple style. Wing Chun cannot grapple.
Anti-grappling.
Why? Because we understand he wanted to grabs my hand. I know how to get rid of his manipulation of my hands. If he grabs my hands, I know how this works. Okay? Yeah? So you see, guys, that's why we are good against grapplers, when we understand how the system works. But the core practice is we have to understand forearm manipulation. Yes. And wrist manipulation. You see? So your nervous system has a mutual understanding that you don't think about forearm, wrist, wrist, forearm. You see? Now, yes. So whatever I do, yes, yeah. You see? And that's then the creation of mutual movements. That's what you need in a quick reaction for a fight. Okay?
Sir.
So you see the importance of Poon Sau. I know it's annoying. David, please. So a lot of guys were like, okay, can we just start with something like this or something like this or something like this? Yes, we can. But how precise do you want to be?
Very precise.
Okay? So when I'm here, touch my hands, that's it. Is there anything I have to go somewhere astray than this? Not at all.
Smallest move possible.
Okay?
As opposed to Poon Sau, I used to.
Yes. So Poon Sau is, you only use it from outside, by the way.
Yes, sir.
If I'm here and he pushes this way all the way up, no, you're pushing all the way out my arm. That's how I use Poon Sau. You never use Poon Sau here.
Yeah,
It's almost like a little.
Yes.
circle.
If he pushes towards my arm here,
that was so tight.
what's the purpose? The purpose is not picture.
It looks great though.
And you have to understand, the Poon Sau is always followed by a punch or a cow pick. So when I'm here and he presses all the way out, pam, cow pick, I'm doing it to the shoulder, but it goes all the way to the head. You see, cow pick. Boom, pam. You see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to understand, when you're here inside, grappler, and he wants to get rid of your arm to get outside. Yes. So you see, let's go. Okay, here. So I did this one. That's my jump. You see? Let's go.